have the weekly price chart for Micron Technology Incorporated, stock ticker MU. So with this price history, what we're going to need to do is really sort of drill outside of the normal time perspectives that we usually look at with these chart analysis videos. This is due to the fact that the share price itself has seen massive declines here. And for this reason, we're really going to need to take a step back and sort of reassess the entire situation here. Because at this moment, we're in a bit of a paradigm shift. We've seen some significant earnings releases overnight, and this is clearly having a dramatic impact on the share price of Micron Technology. So as people know, this is the manufacturer of DRAM. They also make solid state drives, hard drives. Overall, this company is fairly well positioned within the sector with relatively low price to earnings ratios relative to some of its competition. But as we can see here, the market price here has really taken a dive off a cliff in recent weeks. A lot of this started to unfold during the middle of July when we did see major movements within the technology space to the downside. But as we can see here, these price declines here stretch all the way back to the middle of June. So this has actually sort of worked as a precursor, sort of almost a canary in the coal mine in terms of the stock's ability to signal investors to potential weaknesses within the technology space as a whole. So, to begin with, we really have to go all the way back to the week of June 17, because this is where the stock posted highs of 157.54. And then immediately started to reverse lower. As we can see here, the stock is posting an all-time high here, but that candle is ultimately red. We can sort of drill in here a bit. This is clearly a bearish candle with a very long wick on the top of the candle. So what this tells us is that, prices were rejected fairly sharply from those highs above 157. Normally, when you see a movement like this, it would be a bit more bullish, and you'd probably see a green candle because, there's clearly optimism in the market. And as we can tell here, there was a very strong move to the top side. In order to get this dominant price move that we're going to be analyzing in this video, we would have to go back all the way to the price lows from December 2022, which came in below the $50 mark. This would be at roughly $48.40, just above that number. So, as we can see here, the stock has had a very massive movement higher, and this has been a strong reward for shareholders that are long this stock. However, the time to get out here would have been roughly the middle of June, because this is when the tide started to turn. So specifically, when we're looking at this dominant price movement here, what we need to understand is that there are certain Fibonacci retracement levels that are going to be very significant for this stock. Initially, we can see that this 23.6% Fibonacci retracement was quite important due to the fact that it roughly coincided with some prior highs that would be expected to work as support in the future. Specifically, we can look at this 131.40 level, which came into very close contact with the 130.54 highs, which were posted during the beginning of April 2024, the month of the week of the week of April 1st. So, as we can see here, this is a prior resistance zone, and it does coincide almost exactly. I mean, we're within about $1 price movement between that and the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement, which is this red zone up here. As we can see here, the stock did attempt to find some support level here. There was some buying activity at these lows. This is a green candle here, but the upside was very limited, and then the declines here fell sharply, so much so that we managed to also break through the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement in the same week. So this is significant. We saw a very strong close to that trading week. We closed right at the lows for that week. So these are significant turnaround points here. That should have been viewed as a warning signal for anybody that was currently long that stock. As that happened, we also broke through the 20-week exponential moving average. So there really wasn't much holding up that stock from posting further declines there near term. As we can see here, we're now through the 50% retracement and the 50-week exponential moving average, which is the orange line here. So the only real line in the sand at this point is going to come at a very, very critical level of support here, which is going to be found at roughly 89.60. The reason that I point to this zone, and we are going to drill in here a bit on the shorter term time frames, but we do need to understand the broader context here, because there is a surge in negative trading volumes that can be seen in these price bars down at the bottom of the chart. So, the reason that I point to this 8960 level as critically important, I really want to underline that, is due to the fact that this is the zone that marks the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of this dominant trending move here. In addition to that, you also have this rising purple line, which is the 100-week exponential moving average. This is a very critical, moving average signal that is coinciding very closely, coming into very close contact with this 8960 mark. Currently, it's trading a bit below there, but since prices are still trading above this moving average, we would only expect movements in the EMA itself, the exponential moving average itself, to continue moving higher. And as that occurs, we will start to come into contact with the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So, it's fairly easy to see here that these two zones, this sort of light green zone and this purple moving average line, are coinciding in the same area. So this is the reason I would really point to this as the main line in the sand. If we do start to see any sort of a bounce here, I would consider this to be a very strong buy right around 89.60, probably slightly above there. You could probably start to enter into positions around $90 per share. But we will need to watch for downside here, because if we do see a downside break, that would be a very significant break. So in other words, if I was going to be trading this, I would look to go long the stock roughly around the 90 mark, but probably have a very tight stop loss, because if we do break below this level, as we can see here, we're going to be losing support zones at this 618 retracement and at the 100-week exponential moving average. From there, you would have to go all the way down to roughly 76 before you see any other significant support zones, because this is where the 200 period exponential moving average rests, and then below there you would have to look at 7120, which is where the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement rests. So we are trading into some very critical levels here. And if we are able to see a bounce here, this could be a very critical reversal zone to the top side. So here is the current market outlook for Micron Technology Incorporated, stock ticker MU. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.